Y'all, I just arrived at Nine Pine Retreat in Kentucky, and I am staying in the Princess Dome. I actually brought my dog. We're gonna go take a look inside, and I'm actually right by the event center too. We're gonna take a tour of that tonight with the owner. I'm so excited to be here. Wow. Stormy's excited. Stormy's excited. Good girl. That's awesome. You can bring your dogs. There is a pet fee, but I thought this would be so fun for the two of us to hang out. Oh my gosh. They have some nice music playing upon arrival. Look how cozy. And there's an upstairs loft. I think that has 2 twin beds. We'll go check that out next. We've got a little heater. There's AC on. Amazing. Over here we have a little coffee maker, microwave, almost a full-size fridge. That's awesome. I brought stuff to cook for dinner tonight. A sink. Let's see what's around here. Oh, probably the bathroom. Ooh, nice bathroom. Wow. Huge shower and bathtub. Oh my gosh, with jets and everything. What a great setup. Hi. Okay, and then it comes out the other way. And then we're back on this side. Let's go take a look upstairs. Cute little welcome setup with chocolates. I brought my own bottle of wine, so we will be having a feast tonight, and we're gonna open some wine and just hang out, enjoy this peaceful retreat. There's also an amazing private patio, so an outdoor cooler. This, oh my gosh, a barbecue. There's like several different like grill options, a little day bed, kitchen, or an outdoor table, little lounge. And I think it's this is a fire pit. Oh my gosh, what a great setup. And the venue itself, which we're gonna tour later, is right over here. There's an indoor area here. And then there's some glamping tents and some more domes all over the property. This is just about an hour and a half, I think, from Nashville. It's in Kentucky. Love it. Okay, I packed lots of little things. We're gonna have girl dinner tonight, so I have some hummus, I have some tomatoes and olives, I've got some sparkling waters, a thing of crackers, obviously some eggs from the farm for tomorrow's breakfast. I thought I needed to squeeze in some vegetables, so I brought a zucchini from our farm and a whole bunch of cheese, obviously, and then some more little goodies. I brought my own milk for coffee tomorrow, some hot dogs, and just like yummy little girl dinner snacks. Okay guys, seriously, welcome to Nine Pines Retreat. This place is incredible. I've just checked in to my Princess Dome, rightfully so. Thank you so much, Kelly and the team, for giving us the Princess Dome. So Stormy, my border collie, is here with me, and we're just gonna have a girls glamping retreat. I have some work to do. I could always use a little quiet space to just kind of catch up on some things. I have content to create. I'm excited. There's some hiking trails all over the property. They actually give you this really great welcome book, and it has all sorts of activities and just suggestions on things to do in the area, from like horseback riding to local markets, just in general things that the property does and doesn't have. Again, Stormy and I are going to go on a little hike. It is pretty toasty. It's the middle of July, so it's high 80s right now. We're going to let the sun set. We're going to stay in the air-conditioned dome. I'm having kind of a midday cozy coffee, and then we'll have a little cheese board girl dinner, get some work done, hit the trails, and we're also going to do a full tour of the property because you can have weddings here, and I'm really excited to see all that is doable, what the capacity is. And you know me, I like to ask all of the questions in that venue tour questionnaire that I've talked about in several other videos. I will put the link in the description below. I think it's like $7, $9. I put this document together for you so that when you do tours of venues, you are making sure to ask every one of those questions so that you have a complete database of information for all of the venues that you're touring for your clients, and you can just answer your clients' questions and be the expert in all of these venues. I got to meet with the owner of Nine Pines Retreat, and she took me around to all of their great spaces. So first we started out in the barn. This does include tables and chairs. You do have to bring in your own linens, but it's a really great space. All of those big doors open up and it leads out to this like cool concrete patio right here. And you can have bistro lights above there. You could do a tent, you could do a rehearsal dinner, or you could just make this your big dancing spot. Now on the other side of the barn is this ceremony space that's kind of like an amphitheater, but you can really use the property however you want. I think that's the beauty of a buyout, is that if you want to do it right here on the little hillside, you can have your ceremony there, or you can have your cocktail hour somewhere else around the property. Next, we took a look at their glamping tents. Now, I was staying in a dome, which was super cool, but the glamping tents are really special because they're like a 5-star hotel room. You've got the view, you've got the sounds of nature, but you also have air conditioning, a bathtub, a fridge, a coffee maker, and all of the glamping tents are the same. So you'll see there's different spots around the properties where the glamping tents are, and they're all designed a little bit differently, which is fun. Next, we checked out this kind of overlook pavilion. I really like this space for a welcome dinner, or maybe even a brunch, a farewell brunch. I think it's just a really great space. After the tour, I sat down and had a little barbecue dinner. I met the local camp cat, which was so cute. And I just enjoyed an evening under the stars. And yes, it was still hot and humid, but it was actually really pleasant and just cozy with all the bistro lights and the glow of the dome. The next morning I got up and the owner lent me one of their golf carts, so Stormy and I hit the trails and we just kind of drove around to check out the rest of the property. I knew there were hot tubs and saunas hidden in the woods, so I wanted to figure out where those were, and I found it. It's so cute. There's a couple on the property, really kind of cozy, nestled into the forest. I think this would be so fun for your guests, either the evening before the wedding or even the morning before you leave. This is just such a cozy little place. Thanks so much for coming with me on the tour of Nine Pines Retreat. If you're interested in booking this for your wedding or for your client, definitely reach out to the email in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.